Hey, what's up? Check it out. So I've got an interesting video for you today. Somebody sent me this. This is a Eureka crate from Kiwico company for innovators. It is a build-your-own wooden ukulele, 4-string concert ukulele to play sweet tunes kit. It's supposed to have everything you need included and a maker's guide. So, let's see what this is about. Alright, so now that I've got the strings on there and I've tightened them down a little bit, what I've noticed is that definitely these little plastic pieces would not have been high enough to have the strings hold tension on them, so those are just left behind unless I want to put like super glue or something on them. And I also, there's a weird thing that I didn't know, is that on a ukulele, apparently the two thicker strings are in the center while thinner strings are on the outside edges. I didn't realize that. On guitar it's a little bit different. I don't know how to tune this thing, so I'm just gonna tune it up a little bit to where it's kind of louder and closer to where it should be, and then I'll strum it a couple times for you to hear. So, it didn't come with a pick, so let's see how the frets work. It's not bad, it doesn't sound very good, but and the bridge is a little weird because it allows the strings to float and swing back and forth. But I mean, honestly, you hear it ring when you tap it. It's not a bad feeling ukulele. It's pretty weighty too for what it is, honestly. Like I said, it's not in tune. I don't know how to tune it right away. So that is the Kiwico company Eureka crate ukulele. So, thanks for watching.